Hello everyone, here we've got LENOVO Yoga Tab 11 and let me show you how to activate developer options on this device. At first, enroll settings, then once you're in main settings panel, then select system and now click on about tablet. Here you need to locate build number, so here it is, and tap on it 7 times. As you can see, from now on you're a developer. So now let's open system again, and here you will be able to find developer options. Now you can smoothly use them however you wish, and once you want to hide them again, smoothly unmark the stop switcher. And that's it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.